My name is Will Haughey, head golf professional here at Hurricane Creek Country Club. So Hurricane Creek Country Club, we're a member-owned club. We were founded in 1968, so there's a lot of history here. We're set to undergo a full course renovation here in November. It's going to really transform this club, and knowing that we're going to shut down here in November for a renovation, we're trying to think of every different aspect or way that we can engage the memberships, keep them engaged during the shutdown, and we thought there was no better way than adding simulators and utilizing our swing room to not only benefit from teaching, fitting, but also for the membership. They can continue to play golf year-round, and then also we can run league nights, right, or season-long matches across all of our associations. So we thought there would be no better way to keep that going throughout the year, throughout the shutdown, than with our simulators. We've already established our online booking for it, within our platform, our Hurricane Creek app. So we're starting to see members really take advantage of that, especially as we get closer to shutting down for the renovation in November. Looking back at it, even if we weren't going to have a renovation, the value is so high, and it just maximizes what we can do and our offerings to our membership, not only from teaching, fitting standpoint, but just playability, and we get a ton of use on these. So I would highly recommend it for any other club. Partnering with Indoor Golf Shop has been really great for us. So the relationship and just having that close connection has been really wonderful. And then the guys over at Indoor Golf Shop have been great to work with, and the communication's been awesome throughout this whole entire process. So couldn't recommend Indoor Golf Shop enough. Yeah, it's been a blast to work with.